Hey everybody, Jake Smolo here. In this lesson we're going to learn about the natural minor scale. There are actually 3 different types of standard minor scales: natural, harmonic, and melodic minor. We're only going to talk about the natural minor today. So natural minor is when you take a major scale, like C major, and you lower the third, and lower the sixth, and lower the seventh. So the difference between C major and C natural minor is that C major has E and A and B, the major third, the major sixth, and the major seventh, and C natural minor or C minor has E flat and A flat and B flat, the minor third, the minor sixth, and the minor seventh. So when we're talking about a particular key like C major, there are actually 2 different natural minor keys that are related. One of them is C minor, and we call that key the parallel minor key. And it's called parallel minor because both C major and C minor start and end on C. So they're like parallel lines. And now the other minor scale that's related to C major is A minor. And that's called the relative minor scale of C major. So that's A natural minor. It's A major with a flat third, flat 6, and flat 7. But it also, you might notice, has the same notes as C major. So C major is all the white notes from C to C. And A minor is all the white notes from A to A. So both scales have the same notes, but they start in different places. So that's why A minor is the relative minor of C major. Same scale, different start and end points. So parallel minor is when you start on the same note and you just make the scale into a minor scale instead of a major. So C major and C minor are parallel scales, parallel major and minor scales. And then C major and A minor are relative scales. C major is the relative major of A minor, and A minor is the relative minor of C major. So quick review, how do we get a minor scale from a major scale? We flat the third and the sixth and the seventh. And how do we find the parallel minor from the major? You start on the same note as the major scale and you flat the third and the sixth and the seventh. So that's just the same as making the same scale minor. How do we find the relative minor? Well, if you take a look at the interval between C and A, C down to A, it's a minor third. So that's 3 half steps. So you go a minor third down from C to find the relative minor A. Or you can think of it as going a major sixth up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a little overview of the natural minor scale.